I will upload videos until I become good at English. Hi guys. Suddenly, my dog Marlon passed away yesterday. I couldn't watch him die up close. The winter in Hokkaido is so cold, and he quickly became weak. He had a short time of 10 years, but I hope he was happy. Golden Retriever are a breed that prone to illness. Because of my parents' circumstances, Marlon couldn't live inside with us, and I feel so sorry that he must have felt lonely. That's what hurts me the most. See you in heaven, Marlon. Bye.